Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a hair tutorial. Yeah, that's right. I don't really do hair, but when I do, you know, every once in a while I do hair. So a lot of people have been asking me how I achieve these little buns and stuff. So I decided, why not make a video for you guys? Okay, excuse my voice. I know I sound hideous, but I'm sick. I'm recovering. I'm actually a lot better than I was on the weekend. On Saturday and Sunday, it was horrible. Monday, I was not able to even pick up phones at work because it was horrible, horrific. Okay, and yeah, it was pretty bad. So today I'm recovering a lot better. I still sound kind of like a man, or like Head Out of the Woods say, a horse. Yeah, he said I sounded like a horse. Anyway, but he was just kidding, by the way. So yeah, so if you guys want to know how to achieve these little alien buns slash, I guess alien buns, alien buns, then go ahead and keep on watching. The material that we're gonna need, we are going to need a curling iron. Unless you want to straighten your hair, which that's perfectly fine as well. I want to switch it up a little bit and do curls today. So I'm going to do curls with this curling iron, and I believe I got this at Marshall's. I have another one. It's a smaller tube, and I got that one from Leymayy. I believe that's how you say it. It's N-U-M-E. And I got that off of their website with the discount, and it was like 20 bucks. But I know a friend who has it, and she also got it like at TJ Maxx or Marshall's. I'm not really sure, for also 20 bucks. So I know you can find them in the various places. And it was the same one. Okay, so you're also going to need a teasing brush, and this is just to pull back like all my baby hairs and all that stuff. You can use a toothbrush if you want. You don't have to use this at all if you want it to be more like a messy look, and that's perfectly fine. I like mine more combed back and everything. But today I think I might go on the more messier side, but I still like to pull everything up. You are also going to need lots of bobby pins. I don't have them in the thing anymore. I have them all in this little, they're like a little hole with all my bobby pins in there. And then some, of course, are in the bathroom. But you'll just need some bobby pins, and you're also going to need small rubber bands. I use rubber bands just because they're disposable and I can cut them off, and they're much easier to hide in the hair. These are what they look like. I have them in a bag because the actual bag broke. But I just use a black rubber bands. I got both of my rubber bands and my what do you call them? The thingies, what do you call those things? Bobby pins at a hair supply store here in Pine Bluff for like 99 cents each. So you can find those at your local hair supply store, I'm pretty sure, for cheaper than at Walmart. At Walmart, I believe you'll get like bobby pins for like $3, and like the black rubber bands, you might get those for like $1. I'm not sure, I've never looked there, but yeah. And then if you want to use your regular brush, you can use a regular brush, but I think that's all you're going to need. Oh, and hairspray. You might want to use hairspray. I'm not going to have my hair like this for a while. Actually, I'm going to take a shower after this and just wash everything off so my hair doesn't have to last. But if you do want your curls or your hair to last in the position that it's going to be up in, then use hairspray. I don't use hairspray. Oh, one last thing I forgot. I use argan oil to protect my hair from the heat. It's the Renewing Plus Argan Oil of Morocco, and it's a penetrating oil for all hair types. It's really good. It says to use on damp, towel dried hair, surface of damp towel dried hair. But I don't like doing that. I feel like it leaves my hair greasy if I do that. So I do it afterwards, and I only put a small amount. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So I'm going to put some in there. Oh, I have a little clippy to hold this back because I look wretched. Stuff in there. Now I'm just going to go ahead and start off with the little alien buns. as you can call them. So I'm going to go ahead and pull out some rubber bands. I like pulling out more than 2 because either they pop or they fall on the ground and stuff. Okay. So where's my teasing brush? Oh. Okay. With my teething. Oh my god! Okay, with my teasing brush, I'm going to pull out a little bit of hair. Like about that much. I hate that I have fleckle and stuff. But okay, so I'm going to pull off that much right there. I'm just going to kind of pull this off. And let's see. And I'm going to grab and I'm going to go upward. So it's going to be kind of diagonal. Now if you want to do it straight, it's just going to pull in more hair. But it's just however you want it. If your buns to be more thick, then you can go ahead and do that. But since I'm switching it up, I guess I'm going to go straight across like this. And so I'll have a nice little area on both. So now I think I might pull in a little more extra hair. Okay. So now that I have that, I'm going to grab the brush and I'm going to start brushing everything upwards towards the intersection of my hair. So like this. And I'm going to grab a little liguita hair tie. Ew, I got lip gloss on. And there is my little chonguito number 1. And this part I'm going to curl, so that's why I'm leaving it out. So chonguito number 1, done. Now chonguito number 2. Todos a mi cae. Okay, so we got both chonguitos now in their position, and you can either start curling your hair now or straightening it, or you can go ahead and do your buns. I like to go ahead and do my buns. Okay, so this is where I like it, and all I did was just wrap it around. Now I have it pinched to where I want it. Now these don't have to be perfect or anything. There's not an exact way they're supposed to look. It's just, oh shit. Sorry guys. It's just wherever you guys want to like have it, wherever it looks good for you guys. Right now I'm just pinning down that hair that fell out. And just really messing with it. Like you'll probably not get it in the first tries. And it might take a little bit of practice on that. Alright, so now we're going to do the same to the other side. Okie dokie, ravioli. Okay, so I like my buns where they are right now. So now what we're going to do for the rest is we're just going to curl our hair. And like I said, I'm going to be using my wand. I'm going to section off my hair a little bit in 2. And I'm going to start off with these bad boys. And there's not really a specific way that I curl my hair. I just curl. I do like to space out the, like, in between the curl to make it look more of a, I don't know how you want to say that. Like, I don't want it to be too much of an, like, an intense curl. I'm holding on by a hair, you guys. Alright, so I'm going to do the rest of my hair and I'll be back in 1, 2, 3. Bitch, I'm done. Y'all still lazy to curl the rest of my hair, but I did the front, so that's what matters, what you see, right? So this is the final look, you guys. I'm digging it. I look cute. Super cute look. I love this. I love doing this. I do them a little bit tighter and a little bit smaller than usual than this, but I like this. I like this. This is what I always want to go for, and I can't ever go for it. So yeah, here is the little alien slash puka. Do y'all know who puka is? Because if y'all don't, let me show you a picture of homegirl, because that's who I look like. Anyway, so here is the alien slash puka slash bunny slash, you know what I mean, the little buns or whatever. I don't know what you really call these, but yeah, this is the final look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.